guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the last day with the Toyota Back to the Future truck. The shipper is about to arrive and we'll be shipping this thing off to Florida to the Bring a Trailer winner. So if you guys are interested in any of the Bring a Trailer results, I will have a link in the description. You can take a look at that and see what it ended up selling for. But we'll give you a quick walk around before it goes to its new owner. We've had this for about 2 years now and got to enjoy it. But time for it to move on. It was a very cool truck. We got to take it to quite a few car shows and people really enjoyed it. But we just didn't use it outside of the car shows that we took it to. So it really just was not a very used vehicle in the fleet. So that's kind of why we got rid of it. And that way we can move on to something else. But we'll have a bunch of links in the description for the build process if you guys are interested in that and didn't take part in the build. So we'll have all that and the build sheet with all the parts and that good stuff. So hopefully the new owner enjoys the truck. I'm sure he has plans to finish off the interior that we never got to finish. But otherwise it definitely looks cool. If you're into Marty McFly or Back to the Future at all, it is one of the vehicles to have, this and the DeLorean. Maybe someday we'll get a DeLorean, I don't know. They're cool looking cars, but they're just not a very comfortable or performance oriented car. I think it'd be cool to have one of the new electric DeLoreans that they've kind of teased. I don't know if those officially get produced or not, but that would be a cool DeLorean, one with some power. Alright guys, we're going to leave you here with some video from the shippers picking up the truck. But if you guys like Back to the Future, leave a comment down below of your favorite vehicle from the movies. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up even though it's sad. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video, guys. Have a good one. They have made it here to pick up the truck in a nice enclosed trailer, actually. It's gonna go on with a nice big Ford F-150, it looks like. So goodbye Toyota pickup. There she goes. At least this shipper can drive a manual. I've had bad experiences with shippers showing up and not knowing how to drive a manual transmission, so see if he makes it. Not quite tight enough. There he goes. All the way onto the trailer. All right, let me check the other side. See how you are on that side. Oh yeah, you're perfect. Just go straight ahead. You got plenty of room on both sides. little bit more. A little bit more. It's probably, let me check the back here.